Well, here is the hostess with the mostest for Tea Tuesday is Life with Patty. She's welcoming everyone in to join in. All you have to do is put up a video on Tea Tuesday. It doesn't matter what it is and what it's about as long as you're respectful towards everyone. And that's the best part of Tea Tuesday. Everyone puts up something different and you don't get bored watching the playlist. Check it out. See what everyone did. A lot of great channels join in on this, and they always have something interesting to say and different. And let's see who else is joining in. Let's see the co-hostess. Here is our wonderful co-hostess for Tea Tuesday, Kathy's Favorite Things. Please go over there and check out the hostess and the co-hostess. And also, go over and check out the playlist. Everyone does a wonderful job every week. And show your love and support for everyone. And think about joining in. We're all different. We all do different things. This is not a boring challenge because everyone is different. And you're always going to find something you might be interested in. Now let's see what Grandma did. Good morning to everyone. It's Tea Tuesday time. My daughter is not with us again today. Hopefully we'll get back together next week. We both have been so busy doing things, we haven't had a chance to get together. Oh well, we do the best we can with what we have. And here I'm doing this at my house. Of course, it's not as nice as her home, but I at least wanted to share with you my beautiful Easter decor in the background. I used on a past post a couple days ago. And I wanted to share with you this wonderful pineapple tea blend. Very, very good. Really liked it. We've already used it in a past post, but since Grandma's trying to economize, we're using it again. The teapot you see, I've had it for about 25 years or longer. The teacup, well, it's not really a delicate teapot cup. It was a gift from my oldest son and his wife year before last, so that was a zero cost. The tea, I already told you, already had it and has been used in a past post. And of course, everything back here has been in a past post. So this is going to be a free post today I'm going to share with you for my Tea Tuesday and what I'm planning on doing in the future. Hope you enjoy this wonderful Tea Tuesday, and we're going out to the garden and share where our next project is starting. Good morning to all of you. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working on for the next 2 to 4 weeks. I will probably start putting some of the post up for this area starting the 1st of April for Alice in Wonderland. There's a lot to be redone, cleaned up over here, as you can see. There are a lot of things that may not look pretty right now, but they can be with a little bit of work if I just get busy and get it done. This area has a lot of trees that go overhead and leave a lot of shade. This was where my fairy garden has been for the last 8 or 9 years. This is where my fairy garden started, and I know it looks terrible right now, but I will be working on it for the next 3 months. So in 3 months' time, it should be pretty nice. Sorry about the train noises. I live right in town, and because of that, I get all kinds of noises outside, including trains, because I live right near a train depot. So as you can see, there's a lot of work that needs to be done here, a lot of cleaning up to be done, but there's a lot of stuff alive in here. It just doesn't look very pretty. Just need to get back in here and make everything look nice again. I do have a lot of pieces to make it look gorgeous. So just hang in there with me, guys. It's just a matter of time. But I do have to be careful of these little guys. These are lemon bombs. These lemons are massive in size. They are not the size of a regular lemon. They're huge. And I have to be careful because if these fell on any of my fairies, they would be killed. So we got to be careful of them. And I have quite a few that are ready to be cut off, I think. And look at how beautiful the flowers are. So you can see I'm going to get a lot more. And I also have to be careful because there's a lot of bees in here also. And I'm allergic to bees. Now, like I said, usually the bees don't bother me and I don't bother them. But you do have to be careful not to aggravate them. So I hope you enjoyed some of the things I do have that are blooming. And we're going to have a lot more in the future because I do have quite a few things here to share. I just wanted to share with you that I have a lot of really pretty things in this area. It just needs to be cleaned up and reorganized, and it will be beautiful again in here. Pull out some grass and some weeds and some plants. It's going to be wonderful soon. I can't wait to share my beautiful garden with you. But I will be starting my Alice in Wonderland themes on April the 1st, and we're going to first start the first week in this area here, showing you how I got it cleaned up and ready to go, and show you some displays. I will probably go back up to Mountain Lakes and do a few displays up there, but probably not anything big. Now we have Mr. Peanut barking. It's so much fun here. But I just wanted to give you a heads up, so get ready for some really great posts that are coming your way, and a lot of fairies also coming. I've had this fairy probably 5 or 6 years, and she's been out in the garden the whole time. I think considering how long she's been out here, she's looking pretty good. Let me know what you think. And like I said, it's going to be a wonderful time once I get everything cleaned up again. And I wanted to share with you this beautiful plant. Now this is quite a large plant that's probably 35 or 40 years old. I planted it because we've been in our home about 50 years. But I wanted to share with you all the beautiful flowers it produces. So probably in another month to 6, well, maybe another month, maybe even 2 months, this plant will be full of these beautiful flowers. So I can't wait to share them with you. I don't know if they'll look nice for Alice in Wonderland or not. It's always possible they might be looking good for April, but I'm thinking it's probably going to be more like May or June. But you never know what's going to bloom in your garden. Depends on the weather, how much rain it gets, and what Grandma gets accomplished for this Alice in Wonderland this year. Well, I hope you guys come back in April for all we're going to share. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your love and support for Tea Tuesday. And please go check out the awesome creators that join in on this every week and check out the playlist. It's a wonderful playlist, and anyone can join in any Tuesday. You can talk about anything you want. It doesn't matter. It's open to everyone, and the content can be anything also. Just keep it nice. Very nice.